Chuki beat. Chuki beat. Chuki beat.
Hi everyone, I'm Christinasky and thank you for watching my recipe video. If you want the written form of the recipe, you can find it on my website at www.skychristina.com and it will all be there, fully explained out for you. You can print it and then you can keep it in your folder forever. So this recipe was sugar-free, plant-based, vegan, all that good stuff, and minimal ingredients, so you don't even need to spend a lot of money to make this. I really hope you enjoy, and make sure you tag me, #sugarfreesky, so I can see anything you have made, and I'll go around liking all of the pictures and letting you know what I think, and you can let me know what you thought of the recipe. So make sure you like this video and share it with anyone you feel that will really like this yummy Nicecream bowl. So yeah, share it with your friends and make sure you subscribe for more in future. Anyways, let me know your thoughts and I will see you in the next one. Love and light.